Do you need search engine optimization for your online business? Your sales and revenue depend on you getting more customers. Your income depends on your sales. There are a lot of SEO tools, so which should you choose? 1. Ahrefs. It is considered one of the best SEO tools around. Ahrefs is a comprehensive SEO platform. We really like its Site Explorer. When you enter a competitor's URL, you get search traffic and backlink reports. This helps to know what you must do to get ranked higher. You can also use Ahrefs for rank tracking, backlink analysis, and do keyword research. 2. Google Keywords Everywhere. After entering your keyword, you're shown the monthly search volume, cost per click for paid advertising, and keyword difficulty. This tool is extremely affordable. With Google Keywords Everywhere you pay a fee up front and credits are deducted as you search. 3. Ubersuggest. Another one we like that is similar is Neil Patel's Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest has a Google Chrome extension. With Ubersuggest you pay $29 a month. 4. Moz. One of the best features of Moz is their domain ranking metric. Domain authority is a numerical indication of your website's quality. With a Moz account, you can see the domain authority of your own website and any website on the internet. You can also use Moz to conduct a site audit, rank tracking, backlink analysis, and do keyword research. 5. SEMrush. We are SEMrush certified, so we know this tool pretty well. At SEMrush, you will get the same features as Moz and Ahrefs. However, my favorite feature of SEMrush is the content template. When you enter your keyword ideas, you get helpful content suggestions. For instance, you can check out the top-ranked content. Based on your competition for the keyword, SEMrush suggests content you should enter into your post to help achieve higher ranking. In conclusion, many of these tools are very similar. SEMrush, Ahrefs and Moz all have similar pricing. Between those three we like SEMrush the best because of their online tutorials, but it really boils down to personal preference. With the keyword tools both are good, but we find Google Keywords Everywhere to be a little bit more affordable. If you would like us to manage your SEO for you, please contact us at digitalpapercuts.com or call us at 1-800-451-7085.